one little hard drive with some big capacities. Hey YouTube, Male Cality here again. Today I am doing a little unboxing of an Intel NVMe SSD. Yeah, look at this guy. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it on Reddit and stuff recently where this thing's been on sale for really good prices. This is a terabyte, 1000 gigabyte drive. So I'm really excited about this one because I'm hoping it's going to be really fast, and I'm planning on putting it in my laptop because supposedly that thing has an M.2 slot in there with a 256 gigabyte hard drive. So let's open this bad boy up. Whoa. Oh, like cardboard in there. Box. Must be like your instructions and probably warranty information. Ton of cardboard, but there you go. There's one little hard drive. But yeah, that's it. Nothing really to it. God. Hard drives are sure small these days, huh? Alright, so there you go. You saw my crappy unboxing. Now you can see what it looks like out of the plastic housing. And it's a small, light, pretty basic looking NVMe SSD M.2 drive. Honestly, for my uses, I think this is going to be awesome for my laptop as a storage medium, unloading my video files from my SD card onto this drive so I can edit them on the go and whatnot. I'm very satisfied with the speed of it. As you can see here, it transferred a 1-point-something gigabyte video file to the other NVMe drive that's in this laptop. Like that. Basically instant. It's impressive for my basic needs and stuff like that. It's really fast. Here's a little hard drive benchmark too you can look at. Again, for the price and the speed for an entry-level user kind of person like myself, it's a great hard drive. I can't speak to the reliability of it or anything yet. I haven't been using it that long, but honestly, it's probably going to last longer than the laptop's, I guess, performance before it itself is out of date and obsolete. So I'm sure you've seen it all over Reddit. I found this on r/build-a-pc sales. These hard drives can be had for under $100 typically. I've seen them on the Google store for, like a random coupon codes, and they're $90 or something like that. So there's a very cheap 1 terabyte NVMe hard drive for sure. And if you want a way more in-depth review about this hard drive and its technology, click here or in the comments or description and check out Linus's review of this, because he goes into a lot of detail about the type of memory Intel is using in this drive. It's incredibly detailed if you're into that kind of thing, but honestly, for an everyday user like me, it probably is more than adequate for storing files, games. I got a Steam folder on here. I got my videos on here. It's great. I love it for all of that stuff. It's a great secondary hard drive for that type of thing. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of other NVMe drives. They're all dropping in price, right on the same price range for that terabyte. Intel obviously is a reputable name, I would think, in this hard drive game, so you can't really go wrong, I think. Yeah, so thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this wasn't terrible. If you like it, you know what to do. If you don't, you know what to do. Otherwise, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you did. Thank you for watching.